Welcome back to Stock and Drop. Today we're going to be checking out my new air ride kit for Sunburnt here. Let's see, there it is. Showed you the wheels a week or two ago in a video I did. What we've got here is a Air Max kit I bought from Air Slam It. Just wanted to unbox everything, make sure we had all the parts, pieces. We got fittings, we got wiring, bags, compressors, mounts. Everything looks to be there except for instructions, so we're going to get online and try to look for those. But do you really need instructions anyway? We'll figure it out. So here's our kit. Like I said, it's Air Max kit. Comes with 2 compressors, dual compressor unit. These are kind of their new style compressors from what I've been reading online. But we got the solenoids, we got wiring, fittings. The bags are 2,600 bags, I believe. Pretty sure that's what it said in the kit. Water traps, the controller. What else we got? We got brackets for the solenoids, wiring, airline. So we've got to get some clamps with the rubber on them, because you do not want those rubbing on metal. That can cause a ton of problems. You got to make sure there's no air leaks anywhere, and I'm sure we'll get it installed. There probably will be, and we'll have to chase those down, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, that's the kit. There's the mounts for the compressors. I'm not sure how we're going to mount this thing yet. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to cut the center of the bed floor out. I thought about raising the whole bed floor, but I don't think I will. I will probably raise the wheel tubs and then just put a notch in the center. I think that's going to be my easiest way to go without cutting the whole floor out. So we've got part of the frame cut out here. My battery died on my Sawzall, so I just left it hanging in there while I charged one. Got it welded, and there's some filler plates that goes on the inside here. I guess you can see it. I tacked it on the inside like a dummy. I don't know why I did that. Now I got to cut it out, and that seems to be the hardest part of the frame from what I'm cutting. Takes a little bit of cutting to get that weld back out. Got the C-notch installed. I've been working on the upper bag mounts for the rear. Just trying to get some things cleaned up, welded on. We're about ready to stick the bags on the rear. So we got the bag mounts welded on today. We installed the C-notch a week or so ago. Still got some cleanup to do, some finish welding on it, a few spots that I seen that needs a little attention. But overall, it's coming out pretty good. Chuck has been helping me some on this one. This is the first air suspension I've ever installed. So here's the bag mounts. Like I said, we got the C-notch installed. I've got a mess everywhere, so overlook that. I've got to set the pinion angle on the rear end before I tighten the two-link up. Like I said, it's just a two-link kit. Bolts in the factory front spring hanger. This is quite a bit more work than just doing your flip kit and spindles and springs in the front, which I almost went with on this truck just because I didn't want to cut the frame, but we cut it anyway. But that's what we got so far. Appreciate you watching. Leave me a comment on what you think of this old truck. We're trying to get some work done. Clock's ticking because there's a show in October that I want to take this thing to. So it is currently on end of May, getting ready to be June. So we got a lot of work to get going, and or a lot of work to get done rather. So we're gonna try to get with it. Appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.